Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write text over an image in Microsoft Word. If you want to add an image to a Word document and write something on top of it at the same time, here's how you can do it. First, insert an image into your Word document. Once the image is placed, click on it to select it. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Format tab. From there, find the text wrapping option and select Behind Text from the list. Now you should be able to type directly on top of the image. Let's test it out. As you can see, you can write anything over the image without any issues. It's super simple, right? And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.